Hey guys, here's how to start your very own online business. Now, if you are looking for the perfect online business that can actually enable you to quit your job first and foremost, and then become your own boss, answering only to yourself, so that you can actually achieve both time and financial freedom using only an internet connection, a smartphone, and a computer. Oh, and of course, obviously yourselves as well, right? Make sure you watch this video until the very end. Why? Because I'm actually going to introduce you guys to what is hands down the simplest, low cost, in high demand right now, recession proof, no experience needed business that I've ever personally come across. And I'm speaking from experience. I've tried more businesses online than you can shake a stick at. I'm talking about businesses like, for example, online recruitment. I've tried multiple MLM type businesses. I've published books on Amazon. You can check that out. I've tried digital marketing agencies. None of these online businesses enabled me to quit my job and give me both time and financial freedom. But business and commercial real estate loan brokering did. Now, I know that sounds complicated, guys. Trust me, I'm nothing special. It really isn't. As I've said, this is hands down the simplest, low cost, in high demand, recession proof, no experience needed business that I've ever personally come across. And in a series of videos, I'm actually going to share with you the exact steps that you need to follow to build your very own online business loan brokerage, just like I have. And the best thing of all, you actually don't need any licensing. You don't need to be a financial wizard. I am awful at math. And you do not need to be experienced in sales at all. And with the way that I'm going to show you this business, guys, you don't even need thousands in startup capital, which is often the case. In fact, as I've said, all you need is you. You need an internet connection, you need a smartphone, and you need a computer. The rest I'm going to explain and show you. So, if you are feeling trapped, just like I was in a 9-to-5 job, and you want to be your own boss, and you want to work your own hours, answering only to yourselves from home, or any location with an internet connection, and work towards achieving time and financial freedom, make sure to watch this video series. It may, just like it did for me with this profession, change your life. Now, I'm Gavin Bird, by the way, guys, and I'm co-founder of an online business loan brokerage training school called the Pro Commerce Broker University. We're located in the United States, and we're actually able to help anybody, regardless of their experience, learn this wonderful profession of loan brokering with hands-on, one-on-one daily support and coaching, so as you can achieve 5 or 10K plus per month funding deals. And if you want to check my story out, there's a link just up here in the top right. I go into a bit of detail as to how I got started and what my journey was like building out my own brokerage and now the program. So, what is business loan brokering? Let's help you understand this business and how us loan brokers actually make our money, because it's actually very, very simple, guys. So, a brief overview for you. Simply put, a business loan broker connects businesses or real estate investors with the funding that they need. That is it. Whether that be working capital typically for a business owner, or funding for a fix and flip project if you're an investor. They're the typical deals we do. Us brokers provide access to that very funding by introducing our clients to lenders that operate in what's called the alternative lending market. And I'm going to talk more about that later on. Business and commercial real estate loan brokers play a crucial role in supporting the growth and the sustainability of all small and mid-sized businesses across the United States. It can actually be said, guys, that us loan brokers are a critical part to the strength of the US economy, especially right now. And the truth is, conventional banks deny almost 70% of business applications and real estate applications. And that isn't because they are bad businesses or bad investors. Often, they are declined for very simple and stupid reasons. And it's a huge problem for the undercapitalized business. According, if you're interested, to Small Business Trends, 82% of businesses that fail report cash flow problems as the main cause. And guys, cash flow is the number one reason that we help businesses with funding. According to Forbes and the SBA, over 500,000 new businesses are started every single month in the United States. Imagine the opportunity. Imagine the opportunity that presents us as all of these main banks decline them. The non-traditional or as I say, the alternative lending space has grown exponentially in these times. And all of it creates a huge opportunity for the properly prepared business loan broker. Now, why is that? Very simple, because demand for funding has never been higher. And it's only grown with the onset of COVID after the last few years and the worsening economic conditions that we find ourselves in. In good times, guys, we absolutely thrive. In bad times, we absolutely thrive. And all we do is help those that need that funding get that funding. It's the perfect marriage, and it really is that simple. We make sure that our clients qualify for that funding. We introduce our clients to our lenders. They get funded, and we get paid a commission by the lender. Told you it's simple. The commission is based on the size and the type of the loan, okay? And we're talking anything from really like, a few $100s in some cases, upwards of tens of thousands of dollars for a single deal. And because the multiples are so high in a lot of cases, you can see how simple it is to hit 5 or 10K a month consistently. Often it's just one deal to do that. And that's just the starters. So if you are still with me, and I hope you are, let's dig into the why. Why would you choose this online business specifically? Now, there truly hasn't been a better time to go into business for yourself, especially with COVID, all the things that are going on, okay? Now's the time to build a life of security and having a huge positive impact on others. Whatever your reasons really for wanting to be self-employed, business loan brokering checks all of the boxes. Additionally, very few other industries offer the ability to get into them, okay, without a substantial amount of financial resources. You can effectively start your own loan brokerage business for just a few $100s. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. And if you're among the 53% of Americans right now currently living paycheck to paycheck, the great news is that you can start and run and operate your own loan brokering business part-time. In fact, that's exactly how many of our students currently get into this profession. They start it part-time. The business lending market, guys, represents a multi-trillion-dollar industry. Go Google it. The fact is, money is the lifeblood of every small business owner and every real estate investor. Okay, they need that funding. Without access to capital, these business owners, they suffer from inadequate cash flow problems, unable to sustain themselves, and certainly not able to expand. Without access to funding sources, they will fail. They generally do. It doesn't matter what the state of the economy is either, as I've said. In a healthy or booming economy, businesses need working capital often for growth and expansion, okay? In a downturn, in an economic downturn like we have right now, they need capital just often to survive. And the great news is the business funding industry is not overtly regulated. It does not require years of education, a license in many cases. This adds to the ease of entry into this market space. If I can do it, anyone can do it. And these are the reasons that I'm actually going to show you how to start your very own brokerage. So you can get clients, so you can secure your own lenders and ultimately start making money for yourself. Now, I know if this seems too simple, right? Please carry on watching. You're soon going to realize it's exactly as I'm explaining it right now. And so in the next video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to follow to set this up. And if you want to download our blueprint where we have all of this laid out for you in a PDF format, you can actually access that by using the link in the description below this video. But for now, guys, I'm going to end this particular video here. I've given you a great overview, and I'm going to catch you on the next one where I'll show you the exact steps to follow to set up your very own loan brokerage. Thanks very much for watching. See you.